Good day, folks. This is Kevin coming at you again with another Tech Tuesday. And today I'm going to be talking about using a barcode scanner to launch events and fill out information regarding that event. We have a knowledge base article out there for setting up barcodes. You can refer to that, but we're just going to be talking about using the previously set up barcode to launch events and populate them. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go into workflow configuration, and in this example I'm using the checkout event. You'll want to go to your barcode display rules, okay, and you want to set up in this barcodes column here, you want to set up what information you're going to be entering while executing the event. The first one you see I have checked is the ID, equipment selection. So whenever you scan a value, the first thing it's going to do is compare it to the ID to see if it finds a match. If it doesn't find a match, then it's going to go to the employee and then location. So I have all three of those listed and enabled, so we are ready to go. Of course, on your field settings, you'll need to have these specific fields set up that you want to scan. In this case, I have location, crib, of course I have employee, and if you had any others, you could do that as well, like department, so on and so forth. So we will go ahead and minimize this, and we will launch an event. Of course, with the barcode scanner, you can have a scan sheet, scan that scan sheet to launch a specific event. In this case, we're going to launch the checkout event, and we're going to scan our IDs. I don't have a scanner, so I'm just going to enter them in manually, but barcoding works the same way. So BCD-200, enter, brings in that piece of equipment. Now I'm going to check out BCD-201, and it enters that piece of equipment. Now you can then, at that point, you can scan the employee that's checking it out. If they have a badge with the ID that matches an ID in our system, then you can scan that, or you could have a scan sheet with all the employees and a barcode associated with them. So in this case, it's 001 is my employee ID. Click enter. You'll notice that it populates Kevin up here at the top for the employee. And so then I'm going to scan in the location that is being checked out to. In this case, I have a location called test, and now it populates the location of test. Okay, it's at that point you could then scan the finished barcode or next barcode to finish the event. Then you would just answer the question, do yes, complete the event, and you are done. So that's the way to use the barcode for performing an event. Also, you'll notice up here in the status area, the current status area, we've checked it out to employee 001, checkout date, checkout time, checkout department, which I didn't use, and then checkout location is test. So you could look there to find where that piece of equipment is currently located. So I hope that helps you guys, and we will see you soon.